Hi and welcome in a new video of Web Development Roadmap series. In the first video in this series, we have seen that one of the stuff that you can study in order to be a web developer is C# and .NET. So in this video, I'll be talking about C# and .NET. I will give you a simple intro to C# and .NET. What is the difference between C# and .NET? So let's get started. So what is C#? C# is an object-oriented programming language for networking and for web development. C# is a Microsoft programming language and is a hybrid of C and C++. C# code need to be compiled and also need a framework in order to create applications, whatever the type of this application. So for example, if you wanna create an application, you need a framework, and to create a mobile application, you need a different framework. Not like JavaScript code, just run directly. Now, what is .NET? And is there any difference between .NET and C#? Simply, .NET is the framework that will be used with C# to create web applications. Like I told you, C# need a framework in order to create an application. So .NET will be this framework. So C# is the programming language that we will use to create the code, and .NET is the framework that will compile this code to create the applications. Now back to .NET. .NET is a software developed by Microsoft, and it consists of CLR and classes. Okay, we all know that classes will help you to divide or split your code into small pieces. But what is CLR? CLR short for Common Language Runtime. Simply, CLR will help you to run your application, whatever its type, on different operating systems like Windows, Linux, or Mac. Now let me see if .NET is just limited for C# or it can be used with other programming language. Of course, no. We can use .NET with 33 programming language. For example, like F#, Visual Basic, and Phantom. Now, after we know what is C# and what is .NET and the difference between both of them, let me now see what you can do with C#. With C# you can build web mobile applications, you can build enterprise applications, even you can develop games and more. Let me now see what are the databases that's supported by C#. With C# you can use SQL, MySQL, Oracle, and a lot more. But the common used database is SQL. Now let me see the money. Let me see the salary for C# and .NET web developer. So now let me search C# or .NET. C# web developer, and here we want salaries and the location. That we type USA and New York, and here is the average salary for .NET and C# web developer, 82K per year. So that's everything about C#. I hope everything is clear and you understand it well. In the next video, I'll be talking about another web programming language. So if you have any recommendation, tell me in the comments. See you.